It was a calm morning, until my neighbor yelled, "That's my car." I turned, confused. She was pointing at my old car, the one I've owned for 5 years. Before I could explain, she was already calling 911, screaming that I'd stolen it. Minutes later, police cars rolled in, neighbors gathered, and Karen stood there waving a dealership receipt. The officer ran the VIN registered to me. For 5 years. Karen screamed, "That's impossible." Days later, she tried to have it towed, then vandalized it at night, but my cameras caught everything. At the next HOA meeting, I played the footage in front of everyone. Karen turned pale, denying it all, but it was too late. She was removed from the board, arrested for harassment, and I finally smiled beside my car. It wasn't just about the car. It was about standing up when someone tries to take everything from you.